Spoiler alert for the Samurai Turned Pretty finale. Today on Tipsy Duo, we're making 2 drinks inspired by the Fisher brothers. While we talk through that wild ending, I went on a full roller coaster with Jeremiah and Conrad. Thank you, Jenny Han. The series really sets us up with 2 total opposites. Jeremiah, the golden retriever sunshine boy, and Conrad, the brooding introvert. So let's start with the charming Jabba. For him, I went with a blue lagoon because, come on, those magical ocean eyes. I filled the glass with ice spheres. Pour in vodka. Add blue crystal. Squeeze in a half a lemon. And top it off with Sprite. Sparkly, sweet, and carefree, just like Jeremiah. But being Team Jeremiah isn't just about his looks. A lot of fans see him as the fun choice. Someone who avoids heavy baggages and loves living in the moment. Still, we all know how his story ended. So here goes. The engagement ring comes off. No wedding bells after all. Now, let's move over to Conrad. For him, I went with an old-fashioned, moody, classic, and a little complicated. It felt perfect for his brooding, introspective nature. He's been through so much, losing his mom, shutting people out, struggling to say how he really feels. So into the glass goes a sugar cube. A few dashes of Angostura bitters, and a splash of water. Stir it to dissolve. Add a big crystal clear ice cube. It's not that crystal clear. Pour in the whiskey and give it a slow swirl. And yes, I had to sip it with red lipstick on. A little nod to Belly's kiss marking the finale. Ooh la la! Honestly, binging all 3 seasons in a row was intense. I loved Jeremiah's warmth and thought he was seriously good looking, but his lack of emotional depth started to wear on me. Meanwhile, Conrad's growth completely won me over. And even though the fandom is still split, the finale leaves 0 doubt. Bonrad is the endgame. As Billy said, and I quote, "Conrad, I choose you. If there are infinite worlds, every version of me chooses you." Oh, chills. So tell me, which drink would you pick? Bright and carefree or brooding and bittersweet? Drop your answer in the comments, I'd love to know. Thanks for hanging out. We're the Tipsy Duo and cheers to Team Bonrad. See ya!